If your insurer has prompted you to renew your insurance, you might balk at seeing your premium increase for another year of coverage. Insurance premiums can rise for a number of complex reasons that could have you scratching your head. Sadly, if you are a UK driver, those premiums are likelier to rise than fall, as UK premiums have recently hit a record high of £827 on average, reports The Express. Keep reading to find out the reasons why your rate might have increased. You are hit by compensation payout increases. Last year, insurance premium tax was hiked from 10% to 12%, partly due to whiplash and false compensation claims. The Ogden rate, which is used in calculating compensation payable to people who have suffered injury from a car crash, was also slashed. This means insurers need to make further compensation outlay to car crash victims, and its customers who help them foot the bill. You were caught using a phone while driving. Last year also saw the introduction of laws that doubled the penalty for motorists caught using their phones while driving. Today, such motorists would be slapped with a £200 fine and 6 penalty points. However, they could potentially also face an eye-watering increase in insurance premiums. According to research reported by The Telegraph, these premiums could rise by as much as 40% when an offender is given the option to renew their policy, if they are given that option at all. You have made a no-fault claim. Frustrating though it may be, your insurance could rise in cost if you have made a claim resulting from an accident for which you weren't to blame. Let's assume that you have crashed into another car simply because, at a junction, its driver pulled out in front of you. Your insurer won't deem you at fault for this accident but might still increase your premium because, statistics are to be believed, you are likelier to end up in another crash. You have recently moved home. Moving to a new place or locale can be exciting, but even something so innocuous could wreak havoc on your premiums. For example, your new locale might have many more instances of car theft, giving your insurer good reason to send those premiums rocketing. Taking up residence in a newly built house can be costly too, but for an unexpected reason. As that home may not yet have been registered on your insurer's database, the insurer may be hindered in their ability to accurately discern what risk the area poses to your vehicle. As a result, you could be quoted premiums that seem strangely high considering what you personally know about the area. The Telegraph highlights the example of one driver, Doug Welch, who after moving to a Northamptonshire-based newly built house, was quoted a renewal premium of £1,117, nearly 3 times the £464 he had been paying with the same insurer. The insurer later admitted to having access to little data about the area and decided to hold off charging Mr. Welch the full increase. Your voluntary excess is too high. While your policy is likely to have come with a minimum excess when you first took out the insurance, you might have added a voluntary excess in an attempt to lower how much your insurer would need to pay for a claim, and thus, also reduce your premium. However, paradoxically, an excessive increase in the voluntary excess can add more expense to the policy. Using an insurance broker like Call Wiser can help you avoid getting caught out by nasty charges.